Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing great. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make an amazing football jersey using just a single sheet of paper. It's very easy to make, and by the end of this video, you'll see how this simple paper can turn into the jersey of your favorite football player. So make sure you watch until the end, because I have some exciting jersey designs to show you. Let's get started. First, take a colored sheet of paper and cut it into the right size. The cleaner and more even the paper is, the better your final jersey will look. Now, fold the paper in half carefully, making sure both sides line up perfectly. Press the fold firmly with your fingers to create a sharp crease, because this will make the next steps much easier. Next, fold one top corner diagonally toward the center. Then repeat the same fold on the other side. Try to keep both folds even and symmetrical. Taking your time with these folds will give your jersey a much cleaner and more professional appearance. Now turn the paper over and fold the top edge down slightly. After that, flip the paper back again. You can already see the basic shape of the jersey starting to appear. The transformation is simple, but the result looks really impressive. The next step is to fold both upper sides diagonally to create the jersey collar. Make sure both sides match as closely as possible, because the collar is one of the most important details of the design. Once the collar is finished, fold the bottom section upward and gently tuck it inside the collar. That's it! Your basic paper football jersey is complete. Now comes the most exciting part. By changing only the colors, numbers, names, and logos, this same paper jersey can become the jersey of almost any football superstar. Whether you like Lionel Messi, Cristiano Ronaldo, Neymar Jr., Kylian Mbappe, Lamine Yamal, Erling Haaland, Mohamed Salah, Vinicius Jr., Jude Bellingham, Harry Kane, or Bukayo Saka, you can recreate their iconic jerseys using the exact same folding technique. Which jersey do you like the most? Let me know in the comments below. Also, tell me which player's jersey you'd like to see in my next video. I read your comments and your suggestions help me decide what to make next. You can also personalize your jersey by writing your own name, adding your favorite number, or designing the logo of your favorite club or national team. It's a fun way to make every paper jersey unique and special. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more creative paper crafts and football jersey origami. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new upload. Thank you so much for watching.